Hey, Chris here. In this video I want to share with you a match betting strategy that does not require any free bets for you to make profit doing it. Before I get into the video though, I'll just mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group. If you're not yet joined up to it, you can check out the link down in the description. Having said that, the name for this strategy is called Dutching on Bad Bookmaker Accounts. And in this video I'm going to explain what a bad bookmaker account is, what Dutching is, and then we're going to go through an example on the software that you'll be using to do it and show you how you can set these bets up to make guaranteed profits without free bets. So firstly then, what is a bad bookmaker account? Well, a bad bookmaker is one that is literally just not sending any free bets out, and as a match better you'll know which accounts I'm talking about. I may in future do a complete list on all these bad bookmakers and post it up on the Facebook group, so keep an eye out for that. But you should know the ones that I mean, so they literally never have any offers on, they're never sending any free money offers out, and you really don't care if they ban you from their site or not. You might have just joined it for the welcome offer and they're now not sending you anything in regards to free bets. But now you know what a bad bookmaker is, I'll quickly explain what Dutching is for those of you that don't know. So basically Dutching is backing outcomes without using a betting exchange. So there's no lay bets being placed. You're just backing on, say it's a football team, you're backing one football team to win, then you go into another bookmaker backing the draw to happen, and then another bookmaker, so there's 3 bookmakers that you need to back the other team. So no matter what, you lock in the profit because you've covered all the outcomes, but it's just it's different to normal backing and laying. You're not just backing it, then going to like Betfair or Smarkets and laying it. You're just backing at 3 different bookmakers if, say, for example, it's on a football match. Now, on to the third and final part of this video, which is showing you what software you can use in order to do this, and just run through an example here. And basically, we're going to be jumping onto the laptop here, onto the OddsMonkey Dutch Matcher. Now, for those of you that haven't yet got OddsMonkey, or maybe you have Profit Accumulator and you want to switch over to OddsMonkey, maybe this looks better, I have left a couple of promo codes down in the description. They are optional for you to use there. One gets you 12 days for £1 if you want to just try it out. And if you're more serious and you want to just get going with it, you can use the promo code ProfitBoss50 and that'll get you 50% off your first month. Thank you so much if you do decide to go through my affiliate link down in the description. It is massively appreciated. But if I show you here on the Dutch Matcher then, so to get to this on OddsMonkey, you just go to Tools, Matchers, and then it's there on the, so it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one down there, Dutch Matcher, just above the extra place matcher. You select that, and here it brings up all the results for all the different Dutches that you can get on. Now, this isn't an amazing example of a Dutch to place here because that is a very, random match there. You don't really want to be betting on under 23s. It could be suspicious. But pretend this is a more highly ranked match. All you would do to get involved with this is just click on this eye icon here, and that's going to load it up here. So let me show you how this works. We've got Ipswich under 23s. You would visit the that bookmaker account there. I won't mention the name because YouTube get a bit funny with me mentioning bookmaker accounts. But you would go to that bookmaker there and you would back £54 at the price of 2.05. Then you would go to that bookmaker there for the draw and you would back £35 at a price of 3.20. And then finally you'd visit that third and final bookmaker and back £17 at the higher back odds there is 6.5 on Colchester. Now you can see there as the odds are getting higher, the amount is going lower. Now that's going to lock in no matter what happens there. If it's a draw, you'll make £6. If Ipswich win, you'll make £4.70, and if Colchester win, you'll make £4.50, and that will take a total amount of money there of £106. Now you can adjust that total stake and say put 200 in, click anywhere on the screen, and you'll actually get more profit from that. And you can then play around with the numbers. So if you want to fly under the radar, you could drop that to 50. You'll make a bit less profit, but potentially the bookmaker won't be reviewing your account if you're using smaller back stakes there. If you have any questions to do with this, please do join me on a live stream Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m, and I'll be glad to help you out with any additional information you want to know. That's going to do it for this video though. I'll leave some video links around me now if you want to check out any more content here on the channel. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.